Welcome to the channel. Strand 5, question number 6. Sketch the graph of the function y equals 3 sine of theta plus 90 degrees for 0 is less than equal to theta less than equal to 360 degrees. That means from the range of 0 to 360 degrees. Now the question does not say that you have to identify any intercepts, just sketch the graph of the function. So don't struggle. Just make a table of values and then plot those values as coordinates on a Cartesian plane and then just join the dots to make your graph. So keep it simple for yourself. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a table of values like that. So theta ranging from 0 to 360 degrees with 45 degree intervals, 45 plus 45 plus 45 plus 45 up to 360 degrees. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 values to calculate for. And how do you find the corresponding y values? Put the theta value in place of theta in the equation and use a calculator. So the first one will be 3 times sine of 0 plus 90 degrees. That means sine of 90 degrees multiplied by 3, and then you get the corresponding y value. Then the next one, put 45 degrees in the place of theta. So 3 times sine of 45 degrees plus 90. That means the sine of 135 degrees multiplied by 3. Then you get the corresponding value. And then once the table is complete, on a Cartesian plane, plot and then join. Let's try that. So using the calculator, we get these values. When you get long decimal number, round them off to 2 decimal place. So you got 3 over here, 2.120, negative 2.12, negative 3, negative 2.120, 2.123. So we make a Cartesian plane and then try to plot and then join. So you can see the y values range from 3 to negative 3 to positive 3. And then the x values on the theta will be 0 to 360 degrees. So let's make a Cartesian plane. So that's roughly how the Cartesian plane should look like. The y values ranging from positive 3 to negative 3. X values 0 to 360 degrees. 0, 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, 315, 360. Let's plot 0, 3. So when the angle is 0, the y value is 3. At 45 degrees, 2.12, so slightly over 2. At 90 degrees, it is 0. At 135 degrees, negative 2.12, so negative 2.12, approximately there. 180 degrees, negative 3. For 225 degrees, negative 2.12, same level as that. For 270 degrees, 0. So we've got our x-intercepts, 90 degrees and 270 degrees. But it was not required to show any intercepts. 315 degrees, get 2.12, same level as that. 2.12, and 360 degrees, it's at 3. So all you need to do is to join them to get your graph. Just be neat with a pencil. So no straight lines, it's a curve. So it comes this way, and then turning point is there, goes through 90, and then that way. So that's how your graph is going to look like. So if you have to make a graph of this type, a trigonometric graph, just use the table of values, use a calculator, get the corresponding y values, plot and join. Simple. Don't stress too much. Thanks for watching.